I'm sorry, but you're all wet. We must go to the hairdryer. Don't try to run away. Come back this way. There, that's a good boy. Okay. I got the hairdryer. You stay here, volunteer. Don't try out running away. That's a good boy that volunteers. In your face. In your face. In your face. I'm so sorry. In your face, we must blow it away. Blow those ears. Oh, blow them. Oh. 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 Back. Back, I say. Back. Back. Weapons of mass destruction. Yeah. Oh. That's a nice boy. That's a nice boy. You come here and get this hairdryer. Come on. Ah! Son of a bitch. Lord help me. Come back here. There. Thank you. That's a nice dog now. It's no use covering your face. Forget that ball. We must do this. You have the ball? I see it. It's underneath your tummy. There. Do the keys. Gotta get the buzzer. Gotta get the buzzer. You spin around and around. Oh man, what a joy. Oh, you're a crack up.